Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best IIT JEE coaching in your city Thiruvananthapuram? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best IIT JEE preparations in your city Thiruvananthapuram. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is the most preferred online training platform for the preparation of IIT entrance examinations in Delhi. Okay friends, so since 20 years of excellence in the industry of this field, Toppers Academy has now come live in this pandemic era as well. The contribution has been given immensely, experiencing and understanding the needs of the student, growing with the dreams to achieve their goals. Toppers Academy provides the best coaching for IIT JEE Main and Advanced, NEET, AIIMS and also for CBSE Class 9th and 12th and undergraduate and postgraduate courses. Toppers Academy has faculty from IITs who makes the learning so interesting that students enjoy the subject and achieve excellent score in academic as well as competitions. Now let us talk about some of the features of this institute. The very first is updated study material, then interactive live classes. Third is free booklets for IIT JEE. Number 4, newspaper and magazine analysis. Then we have doubt clearing classes, answer writing practice sessions, periodic test series on updated NEET and IIT coaching institutes, regular feedback stories, and then they have limited batch size, that is 30 to 35 students for IIT JEE yearly. Okay, their contact number is 7827048964 and their batch size is 30 to 35 students for online classes batch. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Institute. The Hindu Zone is a platform in which the vision of teaching IIT entrance examination is not only limited to theoretical preparation but also some practical approaches followed accordingly. The expertise counselors guide students to pave ways accordingly and individually for a better understanding of in-depth concepts. Alright, now let us talk about the features of the Hindu Zone Institute. Well-experienced faculty help students, don't let them be hesitant up with their doubts. Then, pre-recorded classes are provided for the extensive training program. Live video sessions inculcate students with long practices. Number 4, updated study material is always there for students to be one step ahead with their preparations among the others. Then, doubt clearing sessions are an advantage for those having huge doubt while studying. Finally, we have regular feedback stories giving attention to real updates of students' analysis of the training, and it provides demo lectures for the students for the preferred coaching with an expert mentor to drive your journey smartly and appropriately. Alright, the address of this institute is 8800222298 and the batches of the institute is 25 to 30 students in a batch. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Math IIT Thiruvananthapuram Coaching. Founded by a group of IITians, this is one of the most sought after coaching classes in Thiruvananthapuram. These courses are spread over a 2-year and 1-year duration. With 3 classroom sessions over the week, there is 1 day dedicated to tests in IIT pattern. Students from classes 7 to 12 are accepted in the course without any issues. With more than 15 students clearing and qualifying the toughest examination every year, and the number also increases every year, the institute has been around since 1999. Alright, now let us talk about the address and the phone number. The address of this institute is TC4/986 Devi Chettanayam, Kaudiyar Main Road near to Water Authority Office, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala 69504. Their contact number is 0471243871. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Aakash Institute. Aakash has been a brand name when it comes to coaching students for IITs and other examinations as well. Nurturing young talent, the institute has early bird programs where students can enroll immediately after their standard 10th examinations. The foundation course can be availed in a classroom form or even as a distance course, which is the need of the hour. Students of the institute have been scoring the first rank consistently over the years. Moreover, the faculty is chosen through a thorough process and screening such that students get nothing but the best. The address of this institute is Abari Heights, first floor, Convent Road, General Hospital Junction, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala 695001. Their contact number is 8800013056. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Master JEE coaching classes. The coaching class has been around for a while and offers 2 years classroom program and also 1 year classroom program and a year of dropper course. Started by management professionals and academic experts, the institute aims at providing high quality to enrich the students' experience. With different departments dedicated to physics, chemistry, maths and biology, the classes have been churning out world-class toppers ever since its inception. The address of this institute is 3 Pattum Kodiyar Road, Pattum, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala 695004. Their contact number is 0471401847. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best IIT JEE preparations in your city, Thiruvananthapuram. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.